Fingerhut doesn't charge an annual fee for its Fresh Start or Advantage credit account, but the real cost is in the product prices and interest. That's why this account can feel cheap upfront and expensive long-term. By the end of this, you'll know what Fingerhut actually costs, how the credit account works, and whether it makes sense for building credit in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Fingerhut is not a normal credit card. It's a store credit account from Fingerhut. That means you can only use it to buy products from Fingerhut's catalog. No gas. No groceries. No bills. That's the first thing to understand. The account itself usually has no annual fee. That sounds good. But the products often cost more than buying the same item from stores like Amazon or Walmart. That price difference is the hidden cost. Section 1. The interest. Fingerhut accounts can carry high APRs. That means financing purchases over time gets expensive fast. If you buy a $300 product and stretch payments, the final cost can be much higher than the sticker price. That's where many people lose money. Paying off purchases quickly matters. Section 2. The credit building value. Fingerhut reports to the major credit bureaus. That's the main reason people use it. If you have poor credit or no credit, getting approved can be easier than with cards from Capital One or Discover. That makes it an entry point. The Fresh Start program is even more basic. It's a one-time purchase plan designed to help you qualify for the main Advantage account later. That's more of a stepping stone. Section 3. Is it worth it? If your only goal is rebuilding credit, and you can pay off small purchases fast, Fingerhut can work. That's the best case use. If you're buying expensive items and carrying balances, the higher product prices plus interest make it weak. That's the trade-off. Quick recap. Fingerhut usually has no annual fee. The hidden cost is higher product pricing and high APR. The value is easier approval and credit reporting. Your next step is simple. Compare the product price against other stores before buying anything. If this helped you avoid overpaying, like the video and subscribe.